Hi guys, welcome back to Isha Vlogs, and this is my vlog number 3. Before starting the vlog, I would like to thank you all for all the love you've showered in my previous vlogs, and it means a lot to me. So today I am here at Mahavir Jain Hostel. It's my current favorite place since May, and let me all show you all this my favorite place. So I'll tell you all the reason why Mahavir Jain is my favorite place in Pune currently. It all started in May when I was a part of this social food donation drive where I used to, when me and my friends, we were a team of like 6-7 people. Every day at 4:30 we used to come into this hostel. We used to make khichdi. But the people who used to make khichdi, we used to help them make the khichdi, and we used to pack khichdi together and we used to distribute all around the areas to the needy people. We used to distribute around 150 to 200 packets every day. So that was my routine for entire 15 days of May. But I'm very thankful to this drive that they gave me this place.
Mahavir Jain Hostel is located just beside BMCC, and I'm very excited to show you all how beautiful the place is. So stay tuned. After entering, on the left hand side there is SMJV bouldering and climbing wall. How cool it is to have a hostel जहाँ पे ये सारे facilities हो. I am super impressed. Moving forward, when we take another left, there's a very big basketball court.
This basketball court has a lot of memories itself. I learned how to play basketball kinda thoda chotu ekdam here, and we played a lot of games as well. I am kinda seeing my friend coming. Hi Shivendra. About another favorite place. Yeah, this is my favorite swing over here. I suggest chill here whenever possible, whenever needed. Those who follow me on Instagram, they know that कि मैं कितना obsessed हूँ इस Happy Lane से, and I keep uploading the stories. So okay, so this was the Happy Street, and now here is the hostel, the boys' hostel where everyone just stays, all the boys. And now let's enter to another phase of MJV. So Mahavir Jain Hostel is called as MJV, matlab it is SMJV, Sri Mahavir Jain Hostel. As we all enter to the Happy Street, we come here, we stay, and here you see a very good Jain temple. And after coming up here, so while we used to come to drives, we used to park our car here, and इसी में हम सारा हमारा food distribution drive का सामान भरते थे. यहीं से we used to go. So this is the entrance of the Jain temple. It's closed right now because the temples are open only till 12:30 in the afternoon. So now let me take you all to the kitchen where the food used to be cooked. So this is the kitchen area where Shankar Bhaiya and all used to cook the food, and this is the place where we used to pack our food as well.
So जैसे ही हम मंदिर से थोड़ा ऊपर आ जाते हैं, there's this place called as Happy Premises. This hostel has a very big amphitheater where all the students come and perform together.
All can be seen this wall. This wall was specially painted because I wore my NCC uniform. I am a 3 Maharashtra Naval NCC cadet captain. So once when I was doing my duty at the vaccination centers, while coming back, I came here and we started our social drive. At that time, the secretary of this place, he's very fond of all the things of painting the walls, and the entire campus is colorful. So when I came here, he thought that she's also a Navy person and she's a Navy cadet. So I'll paint this wall, and when next time I'll wear the uniform, I'll come here and click a picture. So वो तो रह गया, but definitely in future I'll come. But this was the story about it, and I feel very special to come to this place. This is my happy place. So this place is so green that it has got the prize Harit Pune Puraskar in the year 2005. And as you all have seen in the vlog, the entire place is a beautiful place consisting of all the green shades I've ever seen in my entire life. मतलब जो भी पुणे में रहते हैं उनको कहीं और जाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. They can all visit this campus and feel like a resort. This campus is also called a study resort. I have been to a lot of campuses, but the landscape here and the aesthetics here are very, very, very unique and very different. The entire place is so aesthetic, and so the view is best. कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि what part should I vlog and what should I not. So this is the way up to library, to the most amazing library I've ever been to. So stay tuned. let me all take you to the most unconventional and amazing library. It's a library full of green plants and everything. So ऐसे atmosphere में यार किसी को भी पढ़ाई करने की इच्छा होगी भी या नहीं होगी. It depends on your own motivation. But I come here for chilling. पढ़ाई तो कुछ करती नहीं. So just see the library. It is an amazing place and there's this library and students are studying there, so I won't disturb them, but I'll show you how the library looks like. So this is what the library looks like and this is the situation. So the entire place is done into terrace farming and they are divided into ऐसे टप्पे में divided है. So this is very unconventional open gym here, so I'll show you the open gym जहाँ पे एक बार मैंने मेरा workout किया था. And I was doing this workout with Mr. Shinkar, Ritvik Shinkar, जो मेरे पिछले वाले ब्लॉग में था. So let's do the workout again. Talking about the entire place, it is full of colors, beautiful place, and मैं जितनी तारीफ करूँ उतनी कम है. So yeah, I'll show you a place जहाँ पे हम सनसेट्स बहुत देखा करते थे. That उस झूले पे बैठ के हम बहुत सनसेट्स देखा करते थे. I'll show you the view from that झूला as well. So इस झूले से the view is like that. मतलब अभी तो कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है because it's kind of raining, it's drizzling. So but it is beautiful. And देखो साइकिल का कितना मस्त यूज़ किया है. So it's a very good place. You should visit it. This is the Happy Hill stations. यहाँ पे people come and usually have their coffee, tea or discuss something. This is basically discussion room. And now let me take you all to the most amazing thing of this place. Most amazing place of this place. Wow. मैं अभी इतनी पागल हूँ. Welcome to Happy Hills. Woohoo. So जब मैं इस place पे first time आई थी and my friends ऋत्विक दादा, शिवेंद्र and all others were showing me this place. उन्होंने मेरी आंखें बंद करके ये पूरे place को बताया था. So just imagine how important and how highlight of this place was there. So meet Mr. Honorable Gandhi ji and chalo, let's go to the most beautiful place in this entire hostel. Chalo, I'll show you. So are you all excited? This is the place. This is the place I was talking about. ये जस्ट जय मंदिर के बाजू में है. This entire hostel is centric, मतलब कहीं से भी कहाँ पे भी जा सकते हो. But this is the beautiful place and यहाँ पे एक fountain भी है जो हम चालू कर सकते हैं but हम नहीं करेंगे. We won't waste water. So yeah, it is the best place in Pune. Can you all see me? So this was it about the place. जहाँ से हमने शुरू किया था vlogging, वहीं पे हम वापस आ गए हैं. So I told you ना, the entire thing is connected and I hope you all loved the vlog and this was all about it. This is my favorite place. This is where I escape every time I am in stress and every time I'm bored, and I'm very much thankful to that social drive which I was a part of in the month of May, that they gave me such a beautiful place where I call it my Sukoon place. So you guys can visit. It is just beside BMCC and it's called as SMJV, Shri Mahavir Jain Vidyalaya. So keep watching my vlogs. This is all about me and my favorite place. I hope you like it. Bye. Also, as Isha says, हंसते रहो सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Do like, share and subscribe to my video.